Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. As I said earlier, today we are going to see the methods of valuation of goodwill. So under this, number of methods are there. So we are going to see the average profit method and weighted average profit method in this class. Okay, simple average and weighted average. Rest in the next classes. So let us start with average profit method. So here we can say this as a certain number of years purchase of average profit. Like this also we can say. So here suppose a simple average, the average profit equal to the total profit divided by number of years. So here goodwill equal to the average profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. So here the number of years of purchase already it will be given in the problem, and you have to calculate only the average profit. Average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. So goodwill equal to average profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. Let us see the problem. It's about a very simple to calculate, easy to understand, and there is nothing is required, and you have to calculate the average profit. Okay, this is about expected profit, and here the number of years it refers to, that is average period the business the new business would take in the beginning of bringing of the business to a stage. So this is about the number of years what we are saying is. Okay, so it will be in the problem. So let us start with the problem. Calculate the amount of goodwill at 3 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. The profits were, see the problem again, read it carefully. Calculate the amount of goodwill at 3 years purchase. So we have to calculate average profit multiplied with 3 years purchase. Okay, so the average profit is to be calculated on the last 5 years average profit. Okay, so the profits were first year 9,600 and second year 14,400, third year 20,000, fourth year 6,000, fifth year 10,000. So all the 5 years profit they have given, and you have to calculate goodwill for it. So first we have to calculate average profit. So what is average profit? The total of 5 years profit we have to take it first. So total it 9,600 plus 14,400 and plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000. So that it gives total profit of 60,000. So average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. So 5 years profit you have taken. So divided by 5 years. So that is equal to 12,000. Average profit equal to 12,000. So you can calculate easily goodwill. Goodwill equal to average profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. So average profit how much? 12,000 multiplied with number of years of purchase, which is given in the problem, 3 years. So goodwill equal to 36,000. So it's very easy to calculate. First you have to understand at the time of reading the problem itself. And next one is the weighted average profit. So here the average profit for goodwill, that is goodwill valuation, which has been we said earlier is the same, that is about simple average, and weighted average we are going to see it. Okay, so here the simple average we have computed without giving any weightage to the years of profit. Okay, but in weighted average is computed assigning weight to the previous years. Okay, so weightage to the profits of the previous years. So here the more weightage is given to the recent profit and less weightage is given for the older profits. Let us see the problem for easy understanding. The following were the profits earned by A and B for the past 4 years. In 2017, 60,000, 2018, 80,000, 2019, 1 lakh, 2020, 1,40,000. You are required to value the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit, assigning weights of 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively for the 4 years. So this is about a problem. See, in the last problem, simple average profit method, there is no weightage is given to the years of profit, but here the weightage is given, okay, assigning weight to 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively for the 4 years. So 2017 1, 2018 2, 2019 3 and 2020 4, the weightage is given. So we have to calculate the weighted average profit. So for this we have to prepare the table. So calculation of weighted average profit. The first column is for year, second column for annual profit, and third column for weightage, and fourth column is product. The product is nothing but the multiplication of annual profit multiplied with weight. Okay. So here 2017 annual profit is 60,000, weightage is 1, so product is 60,000. 2018 annual profit is 80,000, weightage is 2, so it is 1,60,000 multiplied. And 2019 1 lakh annual profit, weightage is 3 and it is 3 lakh. In 2020 annual profit 1,40,000, weightage is 4 and product is 5,60,000. Even you multiplied 1,40,000 into 4, you will get 5,60,000. Then total of weight is 10 and total of product is 10,80,000. So having this, we have to calculate weighted average profit, that is the total product divided by total weight. This is the formula. So weighted average profit equal to 10,80,000 divided by 10. So it is equal to 1,08,000. So here we have to calculate the goodwill, calculation of goodwill. Goodwill equal to weighted average profit multiplied with number of years of purchase. Weighted average profit how much? 1,08,000 we have calculated, and number of years of purchase, it is there in the problem. So you are required to calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit. This is the problem. So multiply with 3, so that you will get 3,24,000. So this is about the goodwill. So easy to understand. Okay. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.